Did you know that dogs have a built-in compass? These furry navigators can actually detect changes in the Earth's magnetic field, a skill that gives them an internal GPS to guide their wanderings. Imagine your dog leading the way on a walk with an invisible map only they can read. Scientists have discovered that this magnetic sensitivity might explain why dogs often prefer to align themselves along a north-south axis when they do their business. It's not just a quirky habit, it's an instinctual behavior rooted in their ancient ability to navigate the world. This sense is so finely tuned that it could be one of the reasons why lost dogs find their way home over long distances. So next time your pup hesitates on where to go, they might just be recalibrating their internal compass, tapping into a secret connection with the planet that humans can only dream of possessing.